TxDOTCONNECT is the future of business at TxDOT. Over the next 10 years, TxDOT will design and construct up to $70 billion in transportation projects. The agency must have a modern business solution to support the people behind this effort.
With the overwhelming passage of Propositions 1 and 7, the taxpayers gave us additional funding for critical transportation projects. TxDOTCONNECT will give us clear and up-to-date visibility into our portfolio to ensure that we deliver the right projects on time and on budget to meet Texans' expectations.
The Modernized Portfolio and Project Management Initiative is developing TxDOTCONNECT to automate TxDOT's transportation programs. It will replace 40 legacy systems with a web-based automated solution for portfolio, project, and right-of-way management. When TxDOTCONNECT is fully deployed, it will be a single source of truth for all projects, and it will be in real time.
Currently, we track project data into multiple systems, making it hard to monitor projects. TxDOTCONNECT will replace many of these systems and provide one source of data and a single login. This will greatly improve our ability to track projects.
TxDOTCONNECT moves us towards more consistent processes and easier access to project information. From planning to estimating through final PS&E processing, we'll have better workflows for preparing proposals and bidding documents. There'll be benefits to TxDOT staff as well as consultants and contractors.
TxDOTCONNECT will fully integrate utility accommodation activities into a single system. In addition, a much larger group of stakeholders will have access to the information. This will help us to identify utility conflicts far in advance and plan to mitigate them early on.
The Geospatial Mapping tool in TxDOTCONNECT will allow users to view transportation projects on a map with hundreds of attributes in one place. Right now, this information can only be found in separate systems. The consolidation of this data, especially geographic data, into a central location where it can be easily explored and consumed by end users throughout the agency is an enormous benefit.
Having a user-friendly, flexible system like TxDOTCONNECT will help project portfolio managers find information quickly and work more efficiently as we deliver projects that meet the needs of the traveling public.
TxDOT's been on this journey to provide consistent information, valuable reporting, and enhanced project delivery for many years. Success will be delivering a solution that is truly valuable to our end users.
We are fully committed to developing TxDOTCONNECT as a modern, enterprise-wide solution that will help TxDOT meet current and future business needs. I'm excited about the potential for TxDOT to work more efficiently as we deploy this new system.
As TxDOT continues to meet the challenge of providing transportation for a growing population and a booming economy, our ability to manage projects must keep pace. A unified solution that helps TxDOT employees work at peak efficiency will have tremendous value as we build a world-class transportation system in Texas.